Hello balloon artists. Today I'm going to show you how to make a one balloon sausage dog using just one 260 modelling balloon. Inflate your balloon to a tail of about 5 fingers. Let a little bit of air out just to soften and tie. Okay, make a bubble of about 4 fingers, followed by a bubble that is a little bit bigger. Okay, hold on to this bubble and this end of your balloon, because if you let go, everything will come unravelled. Okay, make another bubble to match this one. So just measure your balloon against that one. Okay, and twist this section into this section. Okay, so that's what you've got. Make a bubble of a couple of fingers. Give your balloon a bit of a squeeze just to soften it. And I want to make some very short legs. So I'm actually making legs that are smaller than the nose of the dog. So that is a couple of inches in size. Make another bubble the same size as this one, that's a couple of inches, and twist. Okay, and when you've done that, bring the two together and twist. Okay, so this is what you've got. And we want a nice long body. So twist off a bubble at this point, and then we want to make 2 more legs that are the same size as the front ones. So another bubble that is a couple of inches in size. Hold on to this bubble and make another bubble to match this one. I've just been joined by my cat, so if you can hear me howling, that's what's going on. So just twist off a bubble here to match this one. Bring the two together and twist around. Okay? So you could leave your sausage dog like this, but actually what we can do is just turn the ears upside down, take the nose and just push it in between those 2 bubbles there. Okay, to give you your sausage dog. But what you may find is that instead of the head being positioned here, it pops up like this, which obviously isn't any use to us. So what you need to do, if that's happening, is just take hold of this little bubble here and pinch twist it. And we do that by grasping the bubble, pulling it upwards and twisting it around. And if the nose comes out from those pressure fitted bubbles, don't worry about it. Okay, so we just want to have that pinch twist on the top there, and we can reinstate the nose. There's your one balloon sausage dog. This was my visitor, Midnight. He's been quite poorly recently. He's had quite a bit of treatment, but he's well on the way to recovery, I'm pleased to say. I'll see you again in the next video.